the HP DeskJet 2332 all-in-one printer. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a family, this printer promises to be an all-in-one solution for your printing needs. Let's dive in. First off, the HP DeskJet 2332 is not just a printer, it's a versatile all-in-one device that allows you to print, copy, and scan. The sleek design and compact size make it a great fit for any space. One thing we all value in a printer is a reliable and fast connection. With high-speed USB 2.0, the DeskJet 2332 ensures seamless and uninterrupted printing. Now, let's talk about the print quality. Featuring HP 805 Setup black and tri-color cartridges, this printer delivers exceptional daily photos and documents. You'll get sharp and vibrant prints, with the black cartridge yielding up to 120 pages and the color cartridge up to 75 pages. Worried about support? HP has you covered. The DeskJet 2332 comes with a 1-year limited hardware warranty. If you ever need assistance, their 12x7 voice support or 24x7 chat support is just a message away. Now, let's talk speed. Whether it's your kids' homework or important documents, the DeskJet 2332 won't keep you waiting. It prints at a swift speed of up to 7.5 pages per minute in black and 5.5 pages per minute in color. Handling different media sizes is a breeze with this printer. It supports A4, B5, ASIX, and DL envelope standard sizes, and with a 60-sheet input tray and 25-sheet output tray, your printing process just got a whole lot simpler. Navigating through tasks is made easy with the DeskJet 2332's user-friendly interface. It features 2 LED indicator lights and 5 control panel buttons for functions like cancel, resume, color copy, mono copy, and power. Compatibility matters, right? The DeskJet 2332 works seamlessly with various operating systems, including Windows and Mac OS. So, no matter what device you're using, you're covered. So, there you have it, the HP DeskJet 2332 all-in-one printer. If you're in the market for a reliable, versatile, and efficient printer, this could be the one for you.